I see you wrote John just now. It was lucky I hadn't closed your pack out yet. You wanted to know how to find the link that you could post in Facebook. Let me show you. Let's go on up to here's a tutorial we have in our website, right? I'm going to just, now, do you see up here on the very top here? You see this? That's what you post. You just copy that, and that's what you would put in Facebook. I'll just show you. I'm coming down here to your pack thing here. All right, whoops, not you. Where's you? Where's you? Here's you, right? Except you would just post it like that, right? That's the link. Okay? That's how you do it. That's simple. So, that's what they want to see. So, in other words, if a person clicked on that, then they could take the tutorial, right? And sometimes when I do that in Facebook, when I do that in Pinterest, because not everybody's an Academy member and can see it, sometimes, for instance, if you go up here, it doesn't matter which one you use, but if you go up here, that's the actual thing. But let me just come back here. Here, let's say, let's go fish. Let's just type in, say, something like this, fish. Okay. Now I've got the tutorial, the introduction, and the downloadable. Okay. When I do it, I generally do the introduction because if somebody's not a member, I would usually copy that. And the reason I do it is if somebody's not a member, they will get a little bit, they can still see a little bit about the fish. And then they can, then you can click right here if you're a member and get right to the tutorial. But you see, I hadn't logged in today. Don't you love it? So here I am logging in, and then I would have access to that. Make sense? So that's how you do it. It's really simple. Again, let's not type in it, So here's the tutorial, the introduction, or the downloadable. So that's how you would, here's your tutorial, here's my introduction to this. Okay. And again, if I use the introduction, if I copy, it's a little more trouble to do this, but if you copy this and put it in Facebook, that one, on the village, then if somebody comes here that's not a member, they can watch this video. They can see this video and they can watch that first part of the video, which is nice. And then if they decide they want to be a member or so forth, they can do that. That's the only reason I do it. But I hope that was helpful. And you have any? Eventually, I guess. Well, I guess anybody can watch this video, so I'll just, this is the video people get to watch, yes? So I hope everybody finds this helpful, because Jenny, it's not just you that's going to get the video, okay? All right, hope that was, let me know if you found that clear and understandable.